Every web application depends on APIs, and in fact, without APIs, these kind of applications will be useless. How do you think you post a story on Instagram? Or how do you think you purchase a product on Amazon? It is all because of APIs, or Application Programming Interface. Here's what you need to know. An API is someone who sits between you and, for example, Instagram servers. When you want to upload a post, instead of you talking directly to Instagram, the API is your messenger. It takes your post, which we will call request, and sends it to Instagram servers. Instagram will post it and returns for you an API response, which may contain a message like, your post was successfully posted. So the API returns this response and you'll see your post uploaded. So the keywords are these: request, which means demanding something from the servers, and response is receiving something from servers. Here's the most famous analogy on APIs. You're in a restaurant. You don't go to the kitchen to order a steak. The waiter, which is your API, takes your request, the waiter writes that down and sends it to the chef, which is the server. The chef will cook and send a response. The waiter will take it and return it to you. And that is all you need to know about APIs. And here's a visual diagram that will help you more. A client, which is your browser, constructs a request and gives it to the API, which sends it to the server to process that request. For example, the server needs to give you your ID. It goes to a database, search for it, and construct a response to give to the API, and that API will return the response which contains your ID. Now, what's the point of theoretically explaining an API without actually showing you how to write one? So here's a small example in Python. We are using Python FastAPI, and what you need to understand is the following. We will first run our server, and let's consider this server as Instagram servers, and you want to upload a post there. Now the server is running on port 8000. That means the server expects to receive requests on that specific port, so it will listen to incoming traffic there. Now the server doesn't just blindly receive requests. Each request wants something different, so the API exposes endpoints that are simply a way to tell the server which functionality you want to execute. In my case, the endpoint /send on port 8000 is what I want to use to send my post. And to use that, I can open my browser, type the URL of localhost with port 8000 /send, and like this, I send my request to an API endpoint that requested from the server the send functionality, and I receive a response from the server saying I posted my post successfully. And that is API for you. Any questions, leave them down in the comment section. So I hope now you are confident enough to say, I know how APIs work. Alright, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.